We're going to demonstrate removing the new 600 arm off the CTR9, going over to the 80 arm. And the purpose of this is to show how fast you can go from one arm to another while working on a job. The first thing that we'll do is turn our water off, pull back our lever. We have 2 water lines on quick connect couplers, quarter turn of the safety arm. And now our largest arm is off, and our more common arm with the 80 goes on using the exact same electrode. Connect the 2 water lines, quarter turn of the safety latch, turn our water back on. The final step is calibration. This welder is ready to be used. That's how quick it is to change the arm on the CTR9.